Welcome to the second week of the Sugar Detox Program. Today, we will focus on the challenges of reducing sugar intake when dining out, and we will provide strategies to help you make healthier choices from restaurant menus. We will also discuss tips for navigating social situations where sugary foods and drinks are prevalent. Let's get started. When dining out, one important thing that you need to take note would be the hidden sugars. Many restaurant dishes contain hidden sugar in sauces, dressings, and marinades. Be mindful of these additions and ask for them to be served on the side or omitted. The second thing is the portion sizes. Restaurant portions are often larger than what we need. Consider sharing a dish or opting for smaller portions and resist the temptation to finish everything on your plate. The third thing you need to take note would be beverages. Sugary drinks like soda, sweetened cocktails, and flavored iced teas can contribute significantly to your sugar intake. Choose water and unsweetened tea, and or opt for drinks sweetened with natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit. The third thing would be the dessert temptation. It can be hard to resist dessert when dining out, right? Instead of completely avoiding them, consider sharing a dessert with others or opting for fruit based options or a small portion of a less sugary choice. I would advise you to plan ahead as well. Check out the restaurant menu online in advance and look for healthier options. This will help you make informed choices and avoid impulsive decisions at the restaurant. Let's see how we can make healthier choices from restaurant menu. Don't hesitate to ask for substitution or modification to make your meal healthier. For example, ask for sides salad instead of fries. Choose whole grain bread instead of white bread for your sandwiches. All right. And second strategy would be to load up your vegetables. Include salads, vegetable sides, or steamed vegetables as part of your meal. Do be cautioned with condiments. Many condiments and dressing can be high in added sugar. Ask for dressing on the side and use them sparingly or choose oil and vinegar based options. Another tip, mindful eating. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's fullness cues. This can help prevent overeating and reduce the likelihood of indulging in sugary treats. Now, let's talk about strategies to navigate social situations where with sugary food and drinks. The very useful way to do it is to just inform your friends, family, or colleagues about your dietary preference and goals. This will help them understand and support your choices when dining out or attending social events. Okay, if this don't work, just bring a dish. If you are attending a potluck or a gathering, bring a healthier dish or dessert that align with your dietary preference. This ensures you have a nutritious option available and may inspire others to make healthier choices too. You may also suggest alternatives activities. When socializing, suggest activities that don't revolve around food and drinks. Go for a walk, have a picnic in the park, or engage in a hobby or game. Do prioritize self care techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling to manage stress and emotional eating triggers that may arise during social situations. All right. So great job and on completing day one of the second week of this program. You are now having better understanding of the challenges and strategies for reducing sugar intake when dining out. Remember to be mindful of hidden sugars. Make healthier choices from restaurant menus by opting for grill or steam options and loading up on vegetables and navigate social situations with sugary food and drinks by communicating your preference.